My name's Ryan. I'm the founder and CTO of Pinellas Computers. We started in 2009 out of my dad's house and have evolved into a multi-location retail service offering servicing the greater Pinellas County area and Tampa Bay. Some of our most popular services include custom computer design and assembly, data migration and recovery from old machines onto new desktops or laptops. We do new and used PC sales, as well as smart home design and home automation. So unlike our competitors in some of the big box stores out there, we have more troubleshooting tools and diagnostic utilities and software applications that help us really figure out what's going on and how to create the best solution for the end user. We have inventory in stock across all of our locations that other places just don't have. Along with that, our entire staff is highly skilled and experienced across all facets of technologies. You name it, if it's related to technology, our guys are the experts. You'll notice when you come into one of our stores that we're very easygoing. We're having a great time solving the problems that we see, and we enjoy figuring them out with you. Technology is such a major part of our lives. If you're not experiencing an IT problem right now, you probably have in the past, and we don't want you to suffer and hate your computers. Work with us and we'll create a solution that'll make you love your IT.